Want me to go first so you can copy what I say?
Yeah.
Yeah. So Bali's done. We're on our way to the airport now. Next stop is Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. We're only there for like a day and a half, so let's see how that goes. Want me to go first so you can copy what I say?
Yeah.
Yeah. We are at Bali Airport. As you can see, my hair does kind of look better today. It's not as flat. So for all of you guys who are wondering what my hair looks like flat, well, you saw it in the last couple of days. So we are just waiting for our flight to Kuala Lumpur. We're still trying to figure out what to do in Kuala Lumpur. We're considering Genting Highlands or Genting Heights. There's also Batu Caves. That's very interesting. But we're only there for a day and a half, so we have to figure out like ASAP what we need to do, and then we'll go from there. The Bali airport is small, but it's nice.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side.
So the Sultan is chosen by rotation by royal family generations.
Every 5 years.
Yes, they mean the king must have a son to take the next generation.
Oh.
Okay, so they must have a son.
Yeah.
Right. So they will keep on going on rotation. So when the prime minister, as the king change, the prime minister will be changed after 5 years.
We're currently at the Malaysian King's Palace. It's a very interesting story of how the succession works every 5 years. There's apparently a different number of states which have sultans, and they go on a rotational basis. So we're currently here checking it out on our way to Batu Caves, and then on our way back we're gonna check out a few other places.
I don't wanna waste what's left.
So I think some people think my wife is a famous celebrity because they just started coming up to her and be like, can we please take a picture with you? That's so cool. They didn't ask me, they asked her. And I'm the one who's walking around here with a camera trying to record all this. That right there is a National State Mosque.
Can get it.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And
So this story little bit on God. This God loved to stay in a mountain. So he always stay in every mountain. So they found out these temples about 160 years ago. But one of the priests from India. So that's how they created this place as the biggest temples in Malaysia.
Oh. We just got to the Batu Caves. They're very, very famous over here. We're gonna go up and check out the temple. There's a lot of people here. It's very beautiful. It's up on a mountain. There's about 272 steps that you have to take to get up there. Let's check it out. There's monkeys here by the temple. We've been warned to be very careful.
To be very careful of the monkeys, that they are a little bit.
We're almost halfway there. We have to be really careful with the monkeys around. Just taking a little breather. And then we're gonna start going again. I think we're all the way close to the top.
we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
top and then inside. And here is the temple. It's very beautiful. A lot of people here.
You like
The view from the way on top.
view from the top?
It is just amazing. Made it all the way down and I'm just sweating like crazy. It's so humid here. Our Uber driver was gracious enough to offer us a tour to visit one of the most a few of the most popular destinations here in Kuala Lumpur. So we made a deal with him. So there's a few other things that we're gonna check out today. So let's go ahead and do that. This is the Malaysian Art Gallery. We're gonna go check it out.
Chanting deep into the hot paraffin wax to draw out the design freely. The purpose of the paraffin wax is to separate the colors. Finished drawing, she will dip this material into a sodium silicate solution to fast the colors.
We're currently at the old palace, which they've converted into a museum. We're gonna go inside and check it out and see what it is. Done at the Palace Museum. Unfortunately, we were not allowed to take any videos or photos inside. So we're just gonna have to sort of give you a brief overview from the outside. It's very nice. Get to see how the past kings and queens got to live, how they would meet their dignitaries. There's different rooms for different types of guests. There's a small throne room. But we never got to see the big throne room, which was, I was kind of hoping to see the big throne room of what that would look like. But it's definitely a good experience if you're into that kind of stuff. Just checking out historical things. It's worth checking out. We're checking out the Malaysian or Kuala Lumpur National Museum.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
So we're at the Malaysian National Monument, and what's interesting about them is that they're made out of limestone. Look.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
The front you're going to see a Malaysian national mosque. Most of the mosques you have seen the dome in round shape, correct? This is like open umbrella. You see the blue color, the green and the blue color dome. It is like open umbrella dome. This actually indicate, since with Kuala Lumpur we have 14 states, so each cone indicate the states. Okay, so
this is the National Mosque of Malaysia or Kuala Lumpur. As you heard our tour guide describing, that the blue, it's not a dome, it's more of like an umbrella, and it has 14 ends to it, and each one represents the 14 states of Malaysia. Very cool. At the Malaysian Independence Square, this is where they every year they celebrate their independence from the British, which is, I believe, on August 31st,
1957.
1957.
And these are all British buildings that they have kept.
Yeah, like behind us right here. Now it's a textile museum. Before, these used to be like all quarters for the British who lived there. We're at the two towers right now, Petronas Towers. We're gonna go up, but we can't really record in there, so I won't be able to show you guys. But yeah, so once that is done, we're checking out a really cool chocolate factory, and then we're gonna go either to Chinatown or find something to eat. So we just got to the chocolate factory. I'm really excited to check this out. Is that they didn't let us record inside the chocolate factory, and after that my phone just died, so I couldn't record anything else. We're back at the hotel now. We have a flight tomorrow, so the last vlog in this series will be a travel vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed today, and if you did, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and stay tuned for tomorrow.